So I have told you earlier, look what he is trying to do. He is trying to put the lid on, and he wants to attack them. Look what he is up to. And he is not a good parrot, he's a bad parrot. I don't like this. He look what he did with him. So bad, so poor. And I don't like this attitude. If he likes Lily, then he should go straight to her, and if she refused, then he shouldn't do anything to his husband or fiance. But he did. Look how angry he is. Look. And he is also angry at me because I am trying to make him separate from them. Actually, Lily laid an egg yesterday, and he thrown it out from the cage. And it was also so difficult for me to see, because of him they are not laying egg, because of this villain. I go back. Don't try to come near Lily. I am here, and I have to spend time here. In previous videos I have told all the love story between these parrots, and all the things that are happening here. And I am sitting here for a long time, and I have to sit here for 1 more hour to look at his wife. She is the old parrot, and now she came out to hit them. I will tell, don't hit anyone, okay? And he go back. I don't know why are they fighting against them. Like I am so much depressed now. He is saying go and take his revenge, and she is going to take his revenge. But I am here. Look, I am here. You have to understand what I am saying, okay? And I have to spend here time, and I will show the world your true face, that what are you up to, and what you guys are trying to do with Lily and Shishi. No Shishi. And they all look no, go back. He just did this just because to make you come out. Why are you out? Look, go back. He made a plan for you. Go back, honey. I am here just to protect you. Go back. Oh my god. The yellow one is a great planner, and this blue Shishi always do what the yellow one says. So poor attitude. Now they all are here, and I am here also. Oh, I have an idea. Why shouldn't I should close his cage so he can't come out, and the old Shishi will be alone out there. Yes. And Shishi, then Lily will come out and she will slap you. Yes. Shep. You guys are too bad. You guys are not good. And look at the man who is protecting his wife. Look, he's a great man. Go back, man. I am here just to protect you. Go back.